Hi, I'm Phil and this is Discovery Voyager Online. Now, you might have seen Tiny, the lesser long-eared bat, recently, and Owl. Well, they're all involved with the sound factor show that we do, and I have the privilege of being on the sound desk to do that, so I interact with them quite a bit. And also, another person in that is Diana the Diva. Now, one of the things she does in the Sound Factor show is talks about our vocal cords. Our vocal cords are here in our voice box. It's called the voice box because it contains our vocal cords. And did you know that all our sounds that we make when we're talking mostly start there in our vocal cords? And to demonstrate that, why don't you take 2 fingers and place it over your voice box? And how about we sing the ABC song together? Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Now, you should have felt that every letter of the alphabet has a vibration of our vocal cords. But as Diana the Diva told us recently, we also have voiceless sounds where it doesn't vibrate. Try these sounds. Shh, 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 t, 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 p, 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 k, 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 k. Was there any vibration? No, I didn't feel any. And the other thing is, when we're whispering, we don't use our vocal cords either. But when we shout, we certainly do, because the good thing about the vocal cords is when they vibrate, they produce a lot of energy, and that can make us so that we can speak loudly, and that's why we humans can do that. So anyway, I trust you've had a good vibration. Dot, dot. Lots of excitation, because that's what the vocal cords do. Anyway, bye.